If you are planning to build an audio amplifier as a DIY project and are considered buying a 3-way tone board like this one from Amazon, then you have clicked on the right video. Today, I will walk you through the features and performance of this Chinese-made 3-way tone board and share my personal experience using it. Let's start with the price. It typically ranges between $10 and $12 on Amazon. You will also find many similar boards with almost identical circuitry at this price point. In the board, you get the tone control board itself, the connecting wires with RCA connectors, and volume control knobs. Now for a quick physical overview, here are the board's dimensions and this is how it looks in hand. It's a compact unit which is great for small projects. Moving on to the specifications, this is a 3-way tone control pre-amplifier board, allowing you to adjust the bass, mid-range and treble independently. It uses two NE5532 operational amplifiers for better audio processing. While it would have been better to have a dedicated op-amp for each frequency band, the board still does a decent job for what it claims to do. So, why did I choose this particular board? Mainly because it runs on DC power. You can supply anywhere from 12 volt to 24 volt DC. I tested it with a 19 volt DC input and it worked flawlessly. The stereo input and output ports are clearly marked and there is a red LED indicating the power status. Okay, now let's test the board. I recommend using headphones for a better listening experience.
Bass.
Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still have to take the greatest gifts I got is being his whole. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. The first and desire, you transform light up in a flash. You spread your wings and rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. The first and desire, you transform light up in a flash. You spread your wings and rise from the ashes.
As for my opinion, I did notice a slight humming noise when the volume was set above 60%. This could have been due to my testing setup. I simply soldered the wires directly to the RCA cables. Proper grounding would have eliminated the noise. Overall, for around $10, this 3-way tone control board performs as expected. It's a solid choice for beginners and DIY audio enthusiasts. Just don't expect high-end performance like what you would get from brands like Yamaha, Sony or high-fidelity vacuum tube amplifiers. So that wraps up my review. What are your thoughts on this board? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.